What's up you guys, Cassie Man here, and today I'm going to be building my own PC. Someone actually reached out to me and asked if I would trade my i9 MacBook Pro for a PC. Initially, I wasn't super into the idea because it wasn't really the parts that I wanted. After thinking about it for a little bit, I decided that, you know what, this might be a good deal. The only issue is that it didn't have a very good graphics card. That's okay, you know what, we work with what we got. Essentially, like I said before, it's not really the parts that I wanted. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a case swap. I really wanted to build my own PC, but this was an easier way to do it. Buying used is always something that is not only better for the environment, but is also more cost efficient and saves a couple bucks here and there. So yeah, we're gonna tear down this PC and then build a new one. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. So let's get to it. All right, let's just talk a bit about the parts that we've got. We've got some thermal paste from Corsair. Next, we have so many Lian Li Unifan AL120s. We also got these black extensions from CableMod, Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro, RAM, DDR4, 2TB SATA SSD, Samsung 870 QVO, and we have a 1TB WD Black SN750 M.2 drive. We're rocking an Intel i9 10850K for our CPU, and for our motherboard we have an Asus ROG Strix Z490E. Got the NZXT Kraken Z73 AIO, and this is all going to fit in the Lian Li O11D EVO in black. Oh, what? He didn't screw the fans into the radiator first? The guy that built this before left the plastic on this? I wonder how long he had that like that for. Okay, so we have the PC all cleared out of the old case. So now what we have to do is prepare the new case. So let's do that. I'm planning on upgrading this as soon as I can, but for now we're using a Sapphire Nitro RX 580. Alright, well there you have it. PC is built. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace!